Hi, welcome back to HMR Edits. Today I will show you this type of photo editing in Lightroom. Before starting the video, please subscribe and support my channel. Let's start the editing. Open the photo in Lightroom application. Click on lights. Decrease the exposure to -30. Decrease the contrast to -32. Decrease the highlights to -100. Increase the shadow to 31. Decrease the whites to -61. Also decrease the blacks to -64. Next, click on the curve. Little bit increase the dark part of the curve. Slightly decrease the highlights. Reduce shadow part also little too. Next, click on done. Next, go to the colors tool. Increase the temperature to 7. Decrease the tint to -8. Increase the vibrance to 16. Also increase the saturation to 7. Next, click on colors. In red, increase the hue to 24. Increase the saturation to 15. Decrease the luminance to -9. Next, click on orange. In orange, increase the hue to 6. Decrease the saturation to -16. Increase the luminance to 15. Next, click on yellow color. Decrease the hue to -63. Increase the saturation to 45. Decrease the luminance to -20. Next, click on green. Decrease the hue to -43. Decrease the saturation to -12. Also decrease the luminance to -33. Next, click on pink. Increase the hue to 33 and saturation to 63. Decrease the luminance to -70. Next, click on done. Next, go to the color grading tool. In shadow, increase the saturation to 13. Move the hue to 17. Decrease the luminance to -33. Next, go to the midtone. In midtone, increase the saturation to 9 and hue to 48. Next, go to the highlights. In highlight, increase the saturation to 10 and hue to 246. Decrease the luminance to -30. Next, increase the blending to 74 and balance to 23. Then click on done. Next, go to effects. Decrease the texture to -8. Increase the clarity to 14. Increase the dh to 6 and decrease the vignette to -6. Next, go to the detail tool. Increase the sharpening to 14. Yeah, the editing is completed. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's meet on next video.